Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe for Panchratna Dal, which includes 5 different kinds of pulses and is high in protein. Here I have taken 1/4 cup each of toor dal, moong dal, urad dal, whole moong and lobia. You can add masoor dal or chana dal, whatever is available at your home. Wash the pulses well and soak them in water for about 4 hours and pressure cook them on medium flame for 3 whistles. Once the dal is cooked, it will look something like this. Now heat a kadai on medium flame and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 chopped onions and fry till it turns translucent. Once the onions are fried, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell is gone. Now add the chopped tomato and fry till it becomes soft. Turn the flame to low and now let's add the spices. Pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Fry the masala for some time and if it starts burning, add a dash of water and fry the masala. Now add the cooked dal into the masala. Add salt as required and give the dal a mix. Add water as required to adjust the consistency of the dal. Keep it thick if you will have it with roti and make it a little thin if you will have it with rice. Turn the flame to medium and let the dal come to a boil. Keep stirring in between. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and juice of half a lime. Give the dal a mix and let it boil for 2 more minutes. Panchratna dal is ready to be served with roti or steamed rice. Serve it with a teaspoon of ghee, chopped onions, and garnish with coriander leaves. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. Thank you for watching.